my friends, welcome to Pistacchio Graphic. Today a friend of mine asked me to help you with the command Emboss. I hope I can help you with this video. I made this example to help you to understand the difference between extrude command in this cylinder and the emboss command. Let's start a new design. Make two cylinders, two circles here. This is the same. Okay, make this align horizontally. And fix that. Divide by 2. Okay, and the cylinders are, to make this we need to create this plane minus same, create the two rectangles here and here. These are the same. Are the same. Align the center. Okay. Okay. The same distance. Divide by 2. By 2. Okay, it's in the center. Now the difference between the extrude and the emboss command. With the extrude, we can select the close profile, change the start to object, select the curved surface on the cylinder, and make this a distance. In this case, minus 10 millimeters. We can come back with the sketch here and see the profile is equal to the plane, and the diameter of the cylinder is 100 millimeters, and the radius of this profile is 50 millimeters. It's the same radius, always the same here. In the emboss command, we can select the profile, select the face of the cylinder, and the depth is the same, 10 millimeters. Now we can see the difference between the extrude and the emboss command. We have 50 millimeters of radius, in the base 50 millimeters radius, but in the end of the profile we have the 60 millimeters. With the emboss command we can project the profile in another surface. This is the major difference between them. Now I have another design. I emboss a letter P in this cylinder using another technique. We can open another design, make this cylinder the same diameter, extrude 55, okay, another plane here, the same, make a sketch here, a letter P. Okay. To project this sketch on the surface of the cylinder, we need to use the command Emboss, but the Emboss command don't select just the lines. The Emboss command just select the close profile. We need to change the tool here. First we select the extrude, change the type to thin extrude, and select just the lines. The wall location we need to change to center. The wall thickness with 6 mm and the distance 10 mm. Now we see that we have the letter P extruded. Okay. And now we need to select this face with the letter P and select the filter. You can project this face. Okay. Close the sketch. On body, we can hide this body. We need just the project face. Go to Emboss, select this project face. Now we can, the depth can be 10 mm or inside the part. Now to project to outside and okay. In this video I show the difference between the extrude and the emboss command and show you another technique how to project faces using the command emboss. I hope you like this explanation. If you like, leave me a comment here below. Remember, you can download my ebook in the first link of the description. Thank you so much. I hope it helped you. Bye. See you in the next video.